Hello, my little tigers. I hope everyone is well at home. Today, I'm very happy because I have a wonderful topic to explain you. But first of all, let's highlight this date. Tell me, what date is today? Excellent. Friday. 23rd 2020. Amazing. You won't forget this date, believe me. Now, I want to ask you something. Do you know who is the creator of everything you see around? Who is the creator? God. God is the creator. So let's be grateful with Him. It is time to pray to God. Okay? I want you to put your hands like this and close your eyes and repeat every single word that I'm going to say. Okay? Dear God, thank you for my parents. Thank you for my friends. I know that you are wonderful. Thank you because you have given me everything. I know that you are my Savior, my King, all about me. I love you, God. Amen. Amazing, guys. Now, do you want to sing a song? Okay, let's do it. Please, get up, please, get up. We are going to sing this song, okay?
If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
Okay?
If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no!
If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no!
If you're scared, 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 say oh no, say oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no.
Oh no!
If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands.
Amazing, guys, amazing. You did it amazing. If you're tired, no, right, no. Now, I want to ask you something. Have you ever planted a plant? If your answer is yes, I'm very happy. But if no, right now we are going to learn how to plant a tree. Okay, are you ready? First of all, we have to make a hole. Like this. We have to make a hole. Do it with me, okay? Do it. A hole. Then we have to put the plant. So let's take a plant and put it in the hole. Right. Then we have to cover it. We have to make sure that this is correct. Okay? Then we have to water the tree. Let's water the tree. Okay? Excellent. Amazing, guys. You are the best tigers. Then the plant is going to grow up strong like me and like you. Okay, let's continue learning.
Hello, my little tigers. How are you today? Well, in my case, I am doing well. I am very happy. You know why? Because I have in front of me the best little tigers in the whole world, in the whole universe. I wanna know how you guys are feeling today. If you're happy, smile. If you are still a little bit sleepy, well, I understand that because it's still a little bit early in the morning. I wanna know how you guys are feeling. Are you angry? Because you haven't ate food yet? Well, it is understandable, but let me tell you something. Your mom is preparing your food right now, so don't worry about it. Today, we are going to learn about plants. Yes, we are going to learn about plants. But first, I want to make sure that you guys are ready. Are you ready? Do you have your listening ears on? Are your looking eyes ready? Yes, they are. Now, I want to ask you one question. Do you know what 4 things plants need to survive? Think about it. I know you know the answer because you are very intelligent. Of course, you know the answer because I have the best little tigers in the whole existence. Of course, plants need water to survive. What else do they need? Correct. They also need food that they get from the soil. What else plants need to survive? Exactly. Plants need sunlight. And the last thing that plants need in order to survive? Exactly. Air. Plants need air to survive as well. So, plants need water, food, sunlight, and air in order to survive. Just like us. Because we need food, air, water, and sunlight in order to survive. Yes. My little tigers, I want you to remember something. I want you to keep this in mind. Yes, right here, that there are different types of plants. There are fruit trees, baby plants, and ornamental plants. Can you repeat them again, please? Fruit trees, baby plants, and ornamental plants. Now, I want you to mention some fruit trees that exist around our community or around our neighborhood. Yes, mango trees and coconut trees. Exactly. Man, I have the best little tigers in the whole existence. Now, I want you to mention some veggie plants. Correct. Asparagus, cauliflowers, and many more. Yes, you are right. And how about ornamental plants? Can you say it again? Yes, we have sunflowers and roses. Yes, I have the best little tigers in the whole world. Guys, you are very intelligent. Each of you have obtained 10 points. Yes, you deserve it. Each of you have 10 points. Yes, you are awesome.
Hello, little tigers. In this activity, we are going to identify the different plants and trees that have fruit and flowers. In the first activity, we identify if this plant has flowers or fruits. Let's start. In this picture has a plant. This plant has fruit or flowers. Yes, has fruit. What type of fruit is? Yes, a strawberry. Continue, little tigers. Do you consider that this plant has flowers or fruit? Yes, has flowers. Are roses. Great job, little tigers. Continue. This tree has flowers or fruit? Yes, has fruit. What type of fruit has this tree? Yes, orange. Great job, little tigers. Continue. Do you consider that this plant has flowers or fruit? Yes, has flowers. What type of flowers has? Yes, sunflowers. Great job, little tigers. Do you consider that this tree has flowers or fruit? Yes, has fruit. What type of fruit has? Yes, apples. Is an apple tree. Continue, little tigers. In this set of pictures, we identify what are the sources that are necessary for the human and for the plants. Little tigers, identify the first source necessary for the plants and the humans. Yes, it's water. Continue. Select the second source necessary. Or your answer is incorrect because fire is not necessary for the humans and for the plants. Yes, the second is air. Continue. Select other picture. Yes, the other is heart. Yes. What other picture is a resource? Yes, the sun is very important. Great job, students. Repeat after me. Water, water, air, air, heart, heart, sun, sun. Great job, little tigers. Apple tree. Continue, little tigers. In this set of pictures, we identify what are the sources that are necessary for the human and for the plants. Little tigers, identify the first source necessary for the plants and the humans. Yes, it's water. Continue. Select the second source necessary. Or your answer is incorrect because fire is not necessary for the human and for the plants. Yes, the second is air. Continue. Select other picture. Yes, the other is heart. Yes. What other picture is a resource. Yes, the sun is very important. Great job, students. Repeat after me. Water, water. Air, air. Heart, heart. Zoom, zoom. Great job, little tigers.
Hello, my little tigers! It is a great pleasure for me to introduce you to one of the most wonderful places. For sure, you are going to enjoy the place that we are about to get in. Do you really want to know the place? Really? Are you sure? I don't hear you. Okay. You already showed me that you really want to get in this place. But in order to get in, there is a key word that we have to say. The key word is nature. So, at the count of 3, we are going to say nature, but we have to say it aloud. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nature. Welcome to the Nature and Science Learning Center. Welcome, my little tigers. As you know, right here, we have a lot of things. So we are going to have a good time. We are going to learn many different things. And we are going to be happy. Okay? Are you ready for this new experience? Okay, let's get started. Tell me, what can you see right here? Excellent, my little tigers. There are boots, there are many different plants, there is a table, there is a clock, there are leaves, there is a picture, there are fruits, and there are many wonderful things, and we are going to learn each of them. Good job, my little tiger. You are very good at describing objects. We are going to start learning about plants. So, let's get started. Let's focus our attention on the plants. I want to ask you, what colors are the plant's leaves? Exactly, the plant's leaves are green. However, there are some of them that are purple. Little tigers, please tell me, do plants have flowers? That's right, my little tigers. They have flowers, but not all of them. Now, I want to know, what is your favorite fruit plant? Is it apple? It is grapes, isn't it? Is it banana? Tell me, what is your favorite fruit plant? Very good, little tigers. In my case, my favorite fruit plant is kiwi because it is not big and it looks so beautiful. Are fruits healthy for our body? Yes, they are. They are healthy for our body. So we must eat them as much as possible. Let's focus on the plant right here. Its name is Monstera, and it is said that it represents suffocation because of the rapidly growing. Now let's focus on the one that is right here. Its name is Dracaena. It is one of the most effective houseplants in air purification. Interesting, right? We also have right here useful tools in order to make experiments. Do you have any questions? Little tigers, have you ever planted a plant? Oh, by the way, do you know how to plant a plant? This book that we have right here says the process of planting. So let's read it. Planting steps. 1. Get the flower pot. 2. Put soil in the flower pot. 3. Put seeds in the flower pot with soil. 4. Water the seeds. 5. Put the flower pot in the sunlight. 6. Our plant has flowers. You see, this is the way in order to plant a plant. My little tigers, unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to this learning center. I hope you have enjoyed and learned in this learning center.
Now, my little tigers, you are going to observe these different type of images that I have right here, and these are the different type of plants that we can find in our community. So, my little tigers, let's begin. The first one is ornamental plants. Another type of plants that we can find, my little tigers, in our community is fruit plants. And the last one, my little tigers, is vegetable plants. Okay, my little tigers, now that you know the different type of plants that we can find in our community, you are going to say aloud the name of these different type of plants that we can find in our community. Okay? Are you ready, my little tigers? Yes, let's begin. The first one, my little tigers, is vegetable plants. Yes, excellent. Another type of plants that we can find in our community, my little tigers, is ornamental plants. Good job, exactly. And the last one that I want that you repeat after me, my little tigers, is fruit plants. That's right, excellent job. Now, my little tigers, in this case, we are going to work in this worksheet, and you are going to tell me which of these plants produce vegetables and fruits. And I am going to circle the plants that produce fruits. I am going to circle them in red color. And the plants that produce vegetables, I am going to circle them in blue color. Are you ready, my little tigers? Yes, let's begin. Okay, my little tigers, with the first one. What does this plant produce? Excellent! This plant produces fruits, and those are strawberries. I am going to circle this plant in red color. The next one, my little tigers, what does this plant produce? That's right! This plant produces green chili peppers. I am going to circle this plant in blue color because this plant produces vegetables. Okay, my little tigers, with the next one. What does this plant produce? Excellent! This plant produces vegetables, and this plant produces green beans. I am going to circle this plant in red color. Let's move on to the next one, my little tigers. What does this plant produce? You're right! Excellent! This plant produces fruits. I am going to circle this plant in red color. We are about to finish, my little tigers. Okay, what does this plant produce? That's right! This plant produces fruit, and those are cherries. I am going to circle this plant in red color. And the last one, my little tigers, what does this plant produce? Excellent! That's right! This plant produces vegetables, and those are tomatoes. I am going to circle this plant in blue color. We finished. You did it excellent, my little tigers. You are excellent students. Now, my little tigers, you are going to color these images about the different type of plants that we can find in our community. Let's do it. Oh, excellent job, my little tigers.
My little tigers, I want you to know something, and I want you to remember this forever. Plants are very important for us. And you know why plants are very important for us? Yes, I know you know the answer. Plants are very important for us because they produce oxygen and they also produce food for us as well. So, don't forget to protect plants and trees around our communities and around our houses. Don't forget it, my little tigers. Remember something. Remember that air, food, water, and sunlight are natural resources which are fundamental for plants and for us as well. So, natural resources, we have to take care of them and protect them all the time because they are fundamental for us and for plants. Don't forget that there are different types of plants around our community and around our houses. For example, fruit trees, veggie plants, and ornamental plants. Don't forget it. Just keep it in mind. Tick, 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 right here. Guys, I'm sorry, but unfortunately, this is the end of the lesson. And I hope to see you once again very soon. Thank you very much. And I'm glad to have the best little tigers as students in the whole world. Yes! See you next time.